Here are 5 signs that you need to buy a new laptop as soon as possible. Sign number 1. Your laptop is slow. You can speed up your laptop by upgrading the RAM and CPU, but this upgrade sometimes costs over 30% of the price of new computer. It's better to buy a new one. Sign number 2. It's hot. Every laptop has fans to keep it cold, but these fans can collect dust and debris or just become worn out. This kind of heating up means it's time for having new one. Sign number 3. It's a risk to use. Software updates are critical for your computers. Digital Health operating system updates come with new features that make life easier, but they also patch bugs that hackers exploit. If you can't update your operating system, it's probably time for a new laptop. Sign number 4. Your screen or keyboard are busted. Unless your laptop is less than 3 years old, repairing a screen or keyboard is usually not the best decision. It's better to sell it and use that money for getting a new one. Sign number 5. Your battery doesn't hold a charge. Laptop batteries, like phone batteries, lose charge as you use them. Over time, your laptop will eventually need to be charged more often. If you are at the point where your laptop's battery life makes it no longer portable, it's time for a new one.